Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be doing a cook and clean with me. Tonight's meal will be provided from HelloFresh. I was really interested in trying these meal plans because honestly I just feel like I make the same old things all the time, and what I really liked about this is everything is delivered right to your doorstep, and I think that's really cool. Also, I like the idea of trying new things and kind of learning how to make some fun things. Isabella requested the creamy dill sauce over chicken, so that is what I'm going to make tonight. I'm going to first start off by washing all of the vegetables. I wanted to let you guys know that HelloFresh is offering my subscribers $80 off your first month. Just use the code LYNNPurposeful80 and I will have all that information in my description box. You guys don't want to miss out. This is a great time to definitely try out this service. So I have coated the asparagus with some olive oil, and then I'm going to add a little salt and pepper as well. Next, I'm going to dice these Yukon Gold potatoes. These are also going to be roasted. I am going to put these in the oven first at 450 degrees, and I am also going to coat these with some olive oil and salt and pepper. While that is in the oven, I am browning the chicken in a little pan here, and I first coated it with some salt. And in the meantime, I'm also going to start cutting up this dill. I have never cooked with dill before, so I'm honestly really looking forward to it. I know I used dried dill in my ranch seasoning, so I was really curious on how this is going to taste. That is another thing I love about this service, is I'm trying something that I wouldn't usually do, so I'm really looking forward to it. I am browning the chicken on both sides. The chicken is all done, and I'm going to start making the sauce in the same pan that I cooked the chicken in because you want to get some of those bits. So I'm going to add a little bit of the sour cream that is provided, some of the dill. I love fresh herbs. I feel like it makes your food so much more vibrant and more delicious. I'm now going to add the Dijon mustard and the chicken base. I'm going to start stirring everything around and getting some of those yummy, savory chicken bits on the bottom. This is what adds all the flavor, and I won't lie to you guys, I had to taste it and it was amazing. It is all done, and I am amazed how beautiful it all looks. The potatoes are roasted to perfection and the asparagus is tender, and I am going to coat the chicken in this delicious creamy sauce. I did taste it, like I said, and I am so excited to eat this. Look how vibrant and beautiful it is. I say that I can cook very well, but this, you guys, this was a step above, and my family loved it. This is something I will be making time and time again. It was super easy. It is now time to clean up after I made this delicious meal. Change the music up a bit. We've got to get in the mode. Chris is helping me with Noah because he is not feeling well, so I am going to start cleaning this mess up.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I don't want you guys to forget to use my code Lynn Purposeful80 to get $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. I will never bring anything to you guys unless I absolutely love it. You have my word, and I loved this so much. Like I said, it's something I'm going to be trying time and time again. So make sure you check that out. All that information will be in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a ton. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you go and hit that notification bell. It's absolutely free. It just lets you know when I upload new videos. And as always, I love and appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.